Friends, now I am going to explain to you how to make a screen recorder using the X Recorder. This is the app here available to you. I am showing to you. If you want to write, click the brush button here appearing, and then the screen will be locked. So when the screen is locked, then you can write anything on the screen like this, or you can circle also. And here this is the X Recorder I am using to record the screen recording. And when it is locked, then you cannot move the forward and backward. When you press this into button, then it will disappear and screen lock will not be there. Now you can move forward and backward here like this, and whatever you want you can open. And suppose if I want to explain, then I used to open the data which I sent to you to the class. Suppose here I have sent the one question paper to the class 12 students. So I am showing to you that where it is. Sorry. So this is a class 12th. So this is a test paper which I have prepared, and this PDF you can open. This PDF like this you can open and show it to them. And better, when you open the PDF, make it horizontal so that the view will be very clear. Otherwise it will not show very clearly. When you make it horizontal, it shows very clearly. And meanwhile you can open the another PDF also for showing the answer. Suppose this is the answers which I have written. So simultaneously I am pressing here both like this. So both I am using here. This I am opening, and the question you can read. And if you want to write anything, and if you want to add your camera here, this button you can use here. So I am using here, see this one, the last button. When you press the last button, and here it will show the camera, then when you press, then your video will be like this, it will show. And if you need, you can add like this, otherwise you can remove like this. And being like this, you should, if you want to write something, and here this is a question I am explaining. And if you want go for the answers, then like this, and you can explain very clearly. So after that, then if you want to pause, here pause button is there, and if you want to stop, then the stop button is there. If you press the stop button, it will be saved. And better that before going to that, you can keep it the settings of this as a app settings as a 480 pixel. So otherwise when you upload in the YouTube, it will be little bit high resolution. If it is there, then it will show clearly. Otherwise the like this handwritten, you cannot it will not show. And see here, you can zoom it and you can record it. Then after making it, if you feel that the data is, suppose after making it, suppose I am stopping this video, and if you feel that this I am not stopping actually, because I need to explain to you more here. So after stop, then if the video is saved, then you open the video, and using this app, this is also I felt very great app, Vid Compact, to compress the video what you have made. If it is more resolution, more space, suppose if you make the video approximately for the 20 minutes, it is going on for the 200-300 MB sometimes, based on your camera. If you are switch on the camera, then it is going to be more space, and better you use the Vid Compact to compress that. So if you are compressing, then it is going to be. Now how do we compress? Then I will show it to you as an example. So I will go to the video here, videos here. So this is one some videos are available here. So this is a video, 19 minutes video which made. And if you want to compress this, then press this one and compress this video. Then see here, it is going to reduce to the 68% less, 360 pixel. And when you upload it in a YouTube also, it is showing very clearly. I did, and I am using it, and you can continue like this. Thank you friends.